The law these days has become so much more complicated than it ever was before. Between license laws, potential jail, whether or not the charge is going to be on your criminal record information for the rest of your life. When people who are charged with OUI, that impacts professions, their family. You are pulled into the web of law enforcement, and many people who have absolutely no idea of what's going on are interrogated, investigated for this particular crime. What I bring is a unique perspective of how science is so important and a unique idea of challenging the measurement and challenging the laboratory and not just taking it on face value. The client deserves that. The integrity of our system deserves that.
I didn't have much time to sober up. I decided to go to my vehicle and sleep in the car. A police officer approached the vehicle and ultimately requested that I blow into a breathalyzer, and I was arrested that night. I work in an educational setting, so I was very concerned that it would affect my career. Joe was in litigation with the breathalyzer unit and the reliability of them. So I just thought, this is the guy for me. He had my back 100%. He's extremely knowledgeable, he's personable, and he's going to do whatever he needs to do to make an outcome in your best favor. I would put my money on Joe.
Joe has the ability to look at the evidence produced by the government, and he has a sixth sense to know when there's something that's not right. And he can then raise it with an expert, and that's where I come into working with Joe. I have the ability to dig down deep into what's going on in the machines. Joe has spent the time learning about how these machines operate and how they work. If someone were facing an OUI, I'd recommend Joe without any hesitation.
One person can go very fast, but a group can go very far. I'm so fortunate to have people that I work with that have the passion and the intellect to assist me. Make sure you hire a lawyer who you're comfortable with, that you have confidence in that lawyer's guidance and advice. When you hire my law firm, I promise you that anything that can be done will be done.